Hi everyone, David Cross with BT Diamond IP again. In this video, we're going to go ahead and upgrade the IPControl Executive to IPControl version 10.0.48, and we're going to need to upload the files and go through a couple of menu steps to do this within the Executive. So first of all, again, you should have the patch that's applied for the version. At this time, 10.048 is my version, but you may be looking at this in the future. So make sure that you have the latest version that you're trying to update to, and whatever version you upgrade here, if you recall back to our CAA setup series, will also require that you have the same patch level on that appliance. So we're going to go ahead and, as part of our CAA setup, finish this with 10.048, which should allow the two systems to match. So the first thing we want to do after we copy the files is we want to effectively log in as our app admin user into the appliance, and you should have that default password. And once we're logged into the system, we're going to go ahead and, like we did with the other systems, navigate to System, Management System Update. We want to set our local path, which is number 3, and I had copied the files up into the opt and control temp directory, which you see over here with the sign jar. And then we're going to go ahead and update this. Unlike the CAA setup, when it applied this patch, it does not have a local database. The IPControl database that's stored on the IPAM system does get exported because it is a database system. It'll update it, back it up, and then provide and apply the different schema changes as well as the binary changes. That'll take a few minutes. It'll have to stop and start some services and do a few things, and we'll give that time to finish. And as it finishes starting the services here, and once complete, we should be at 10.048 on this particular screen. And because I had the CAA already open, I'm going to go ahead and validate that menu again to ensure that whatever version I'm running on that external appliance matches the version on IPControl. So I'll open up that shell to do that setting. All right. And now that this is upgraded, everything should be fine here. And back on my test connectivity, I'm going to go ahead and run the test to verify the versions. And it should match up with everything we had applied earlier with the two different builds. And your IPControl database should now be upgraded. And you should see that version in the shell or web UI as you log into it on the home page. Okay, our system is back and running. And let's go ahead and log in and then go to the home tab and verify those settings. I still need a license key for my executive. 1 second. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this key, and then after we apply the key, it should log us back out, and we should be able to log back in again. Again, if this were the first time you were running IPControl. All right, and then on the Home tab, as we navigate to it, we should see version 10.0.build48, again, which is the latest as of today, which is March 26th. And we should have some future versions coming out, and then other videos that I'll upload to my channel will be including setting up the various components of IPControl, walking through the network, the subnet setup, the container, some of the block type policies, and we'll start to have a number of videos that are going to help you in your evaluation process to understand how the product works and to ensure that you get the most benefit and capabilities out of your IPAM system. Once again, thanks for joining me, and I hope this has been educational, and feel free to leave any comments or messages to me if you have any additional information you're looking for. Take care and have a great day.